The wait is finally over. Here we have the first official unboxing video and official first real look of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A user known as Tasty Orange on Platform X has shared brief unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra featuring the device in 3 different colors. In the videos, we see that the person is unboxing the videos in what looks like a store. So it appears that the S24 has arrived at stores in preparation for retail sales, and an employee wanted to showcase these devices early. A TikTok user managed to obtain Galaxy S24 Ultra models in titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray, which were then posted by Tasty Orange on Platform X. The packaging mirrors that of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the video only reveals the startup screen. Nonetheless, any information is welcome at this stage. The videos provide a clear view of the design, indicating again that Samsung has moved away from curved screens. They show the Galaxy S24 Ultra featuring a flat display. The videos support previous speculations that the speaker grille of the Galaxy S24 Ultra would have a single milled cut. In comparison, the bottom speaker of the Galaxy S23 Ultra has 6 holes. One noticeable alteration seen in the videos is the design of the S Pen for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will have a flat bottom instead of a round one. Previous reports suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will universally use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, regardless of the purchase location. Additionally, it is expected to include a newly designed 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, potentially outperforming current leading camera phones. Also, details about pre-ordering the Galaxy S24 have surfaced before the Unpacked 2024 event. Samsung is offering a reservation option for the Galaxy S24 series, which includes a $50 discount. It's important to note that this reservation program is different from pre-ordering. The new flagship models are expected to be available for pre-order starting January 17 during the Unpacked event, and details about pre-order bonuses in certain markets have already been leaked. Based on the leaked details, customers who pre-order the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra in certain regions, such as Korea, as reported by Gary Onhen, will receive a complimentary memory upgrade. Pre-order offers for the Galaxy S24 series will allow buyers to get higher storage models at lower prices. Specifically, customers can pre-order the 256 gigs model for the price of the 128 gigs variant, the 512 gigs model for the cost of the 256 gigs version, and the 1 TB model at the price of the 512 gigs variant, reported by Roland Quant. It's possible that each participating retailer will only have around 2,000 units of the 1 TB Galaxy S24 Ultra available for the memory upgrade promotion. In Korea, those pre-ordering any model of the Galaxy are planning to offer the Galaxy Watch 6 for free with pre-orders. This bonus seems to apply to all models of the Galaxy S24 series, not just the more expensive S24 Plus or Ultra variants. Overall, the pre-order bonuses for the Galaxy S24 series are set to vary by market. Depending on the location, customers might receive free earbuds, a watch, Samsung Care Plus coverage, or other accessories with their pre-order. Now, as usual, let's explore everything about the S24 series, including what it can do, how it looks, and how much it costs. This will help you decide which one is the best for you. If you've been following along with my updates, you might already know this stuff, so you can go ahead and check out another video. But if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more videos like this. Alright, let's get started and learn more about these phones. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing USF 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging USF 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. As we approach the launch, more details will likely surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates in the future. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.